Good evening from Jonesboro, Arkansas, June 30th, 2023, 5:24 p.m. We bought this car 15 days ago, so time for the first monthly savings report, which is actually just a half a month. But first thing to look at is right here. This picture I stuck on here for now, just for this video. It's going to be deleted. This says 14 days owned. I thought it was 15. I'm gonna need to check the formula on this. But anyway, total cost, $15 in electricity. Drove it 577 miles, 2.6 cents per mile. If I did that every day, it'd be $1.09 a day. You know, driving the average miles in this time. And then $33.02 a month and $396 a year. So, if you were to drive 577 miles a month, this car would cost you less than $400. Whoops. Shut up. You don't know what you're talking about. Time to interrupt the video. I forgot about winter. Winter will cost more to drive, so keep that in mind. I can't believe I didn't think of that. So in northeast Arkansas or any place with a cold climate, it doesn't get that cold here. It's enough to screw up your cost per mile if you're used to summer cost in EVs. So yeah, it would cost more than $400. I guarantee it, because of winter driving. But it would still be dirt cheap. Okay, on to the video. And actually maybe not even that much, because look at this. Public charging, $10. Home charging, $6. That's not going to be normal, this public charging. However, this also isn't going to be normal. This $736 free charging value. So that kind of offsets. The dealer filled it up when we bought it, which was about $7.36 worth of electricity. Public charging, $9.67. Home charging, $5.50. 11.5 cents a kilowatt hour. Kilowatts from public charger, 32.2. Kilowatt hours free, 64. 47.8 from home, 144 kilowatt hours burn, 4 miles per kilowatt hour. That means every 4 miles cost about 11.5 cents if you were doing it all from your home. And let's look at the savings. Gas, the last time we bought it was $3.19 a gallon, using that as the base. If an average car, 24 miles per gallon, that's what the government says the average car can do, it would have cost $76.56, not $15.17, for a savings of $61.39. A truck, 4x4 truck, I want to make sure I had this number right. So I Googled what kind of gas mileage to expect from a 4x4 truck. And most of them said 16 in town and 20 on the highway. Feel free to comment if you do way better than that, or if you think this number is wrong. But if you had a 20 mile per gallon 4x4 truck, it'd been $91.87, savings of $76.71, and then the ultra fuel saving Prius, we saved $16.51. Yes, we got some free electricity, but yes, we also paid extra for electricity that we normally wouldn't do. So it's close to a wash, like I said. I think this is about what you expect on 576 miles. I have this set up to do a battery degradation test at some point, hopefully pretty soon. Right now I have it at 64 kilowatt hours, which is true. But on the internet, it says some of the later 2021s had 64.8, and that was a European car. I don't know if the American car does or not, but I think mine just has 64. That's what the window sticker says. My biggest problem is finding out if it has a buffer or not. I mean, you can search, does the Chevy Bolt have a buffer, and it's easy to find. I cannot find any place that says this has a buffer or not. I found one place that said it did, 3 point something, but it wasn't a Kia site, and they used no source. How do I know that's true? It's not easy to find out. I need to know before doing a battery degradation test. If not, I'm just going to run with this number and hope it's right. I hope it does have a buffer. You know, every electric car needs one. I think this is a very useful tool if you're interested in saving money as far as pushing a car down the road. You can't beat an electric car. I had someone just today tell me, say, yeah, but you got to be careful. Man, if those batteries go out without a warranty, that's $15,000 or $20,000. It's amazing how many people are concerned about that. I'm concerned about it zero. I am. I'm not concerned at all. Look at this. 1651, 576 miles. That's not bad. All right. And that's on the Prius. Right here's the real savings, I think. $61.39 over most of y'all. All right, that's it. Bye.